Hello everyone, let's learn some Excel shortcuts. Suppose I have a data sheet here. I want to enable filter and disable filter here. So what we can do, press CTRL+Shift+L, filters came at the top row, and similarly press again CTRL+Shift+L, it will remove the filter. Next, suppose I want to pull this particular column in front of this, then how we can do? Select this particular column. You can see a hairline came. Just drag it, but don't leave it. Press shift. You can see a symbology came. I want to place between product and target, so I will leave it here. You can see it is moved ahead. Next, suppose I want to format this particular cell. So what we can do, select the cell and press Ctrl+1. You can see the format cell option came. Next, you want to learn how to convert this particular data table into a data. So you can go here and select as a format as a table, or you can select anywhere else and press Ctrl T. You can see it will be converted to particular table. Next, suppose I want to insert a row in between this. So select anywhere else, press Ctrl plus, and a row is inserted. Similarly, if I want to insert a column in between this, the first thing you have to do is to press first Control space, the column is selected, then just press Control Shift, a Control plus, a column is inserted. Similarly, if I want to, let's come back. Yeah. Now suppose I want to delete this particular row. So simply press Control minus, it will delete. Or if I want to delete particular column, it is also done. First select the entire column and then press Control minus. So it will also get deleted. Next, what we want to do is to format as a number. Suppose this is a value is there. Suppose I have a value like this, and I want to format it as a number. You can see it is in general format. So what we can do, press Ctrl Shift and 1. This is changed to number. Now suppose I want to change it to currency, this one, then Ctrl Shift and 4. It will be changed to the currency. Now suppose I want a subtotal of this. So select at the bottom of the row and press Alt equal. You can get a subtotal of this particular column. This is the way how we can use different shortcuts in Excel.